Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Cinco de Mayo tutorial. I know Cinco de Mayo is around the corner and I will be trying to post several looks this week. If you'd like to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. First, I will be priming my eyes. For this video, I will be using my E.l.f. primer. Now I'll be taking this creamy white shade from my Neutrals BH Cosmetics palette to set my primer. With my Morphe M213, I'll be taking this red shade from my BH Cosmetics palette and start lining my crease. Quick side note, I did do my brows off camera. If you're interested in my brow routine, I will leave the video link down below. With the same clean brush, I'll be taking the green shade from the same palette and placing it on top of my crease. I know the color looks light, but in person it was very dark, just that my camera quality isn't that good. However, in the next few clips, I switched camera and the quality is better. Now with my M506, I'm just going to lightly blend those two colors together. With the same clean M213, I am taking the white shade from the same palette, placing it in the middle of both colors, then lightly blending them. With my AOA E131, I am taking my Maybelline concealer in the shade Sand and placing it in my inner corner. Now with the flat shadow brush, I am taking that same green I used for my crease and placing it on my first base of concealer. With the same concealer brush, I am now placing my second base of concealer. Now I'm just placing the white shadow on top of my second base of concealer. Now with my E131, I am taking my concealer and creating my third base. Also, sorry for the blurriness, I didn't realize that my camera was out of focus. Now I'm just taking that red shade from the same BH Cosmetics palette and placing it over my third base. Now I'm just taking the white shadow and placing it on my brow bone. With my M432, I am taking that green shadow and placing it as my first base undershadow. With the same clean brush, I am taking the red shade and placing it as my outer undershadow. Lastly, with my M213, I'm taking the white shade and placing it as my middle undershadow. Makeup done in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the family. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!